Downtown Florence has a handful of great restaurants, but with one undeniable community hub, the Florence Beer Market. But more than just a place of long necks and a dusty jukebox, the Beer Market is a craft Italian kitchen alongside cold craft beer. This is owner Charles Montgomery, who was born and raised in Florence and worked for the original owner before buying the restaurant and becoming one of Florence's youngest entrepreneurs.
Can I get you a beer?
Oh, that's a great place
We've got
to start.
23 beers on tap.
Oh, I love all shot stuff. Let's just go with the Kolsch. No shortage of choices.
Charles partnered up with his parents and now employs his older brothers. Not a bad deal.
So how old are you?
I'm 21.
21.
I bought the bar when I was 20, so I couldn't even drink beer at that point.
So did you always want to be a business owner?
It was in the 5-year plan, it wasn't in the immediate plan.
A door opened and you ran through it.
Yes, sir.
How's it been?
It's been amazing.
Now, is the Italian food because y'all are just really good at making Italian food? Or is it like because it's Florence, Italy, you gotta have Italian food?
A little bit of both, but we're really good at making Italian.
Okay, so like
So
pizza.
we've got lasagna, pizza, strombolis, calzones.
What should I get for lunch?
The stromboli. The stromboli
Okay.
is massive.
Say no more. I'm starving.
So we make this dough every day. We let it sit in the walk-in for a day, and then it turns into a stromboli.
That's like perfect pizza dough.
This one comes loaded. Ricotta, meat, more meat, and the entire produce department.
Let's throw a cheeseburger on it. You know,
At this
throw some
point,
fries.
yeah.
I mean, what?
And then you take it and pull it, fold it over, and it'll cook for about 4 or 5 minutes.
4 minutes. I can't wait that long. Come on now. What's your favorite thing in the kitchen?
It's probably the garlic parm wings.
Well, let's make some of those too.
Okay?
I told y'all I was hungry.
You know, when in Firenze, you eat the stromboli and the wings. And I don't know how the wings fit into the whole Italian theme, but you know. Ooh, yeah! The dough. The dough is on point. All the toppings are great, and like that's a fantastic stromboli. I think actually, this is the first stromboli we've eaten on the Daytripper. We're breaking new Daytripper ground right here. How do you know we're in Texas? Because you don't have to ask for ranch.
I thought we didn't do ranch on pizza.
I'm not eating pizza, Daniel. This is a stromboli.
I'm done, man.
totally
I am
different.
done.
After I eat the stromboli, my David-esque figure is gonna go away. If David had a dad bod, this is the sort of stromboli he would eat. Buen provecho right here.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.